girl Slay Paris here, and today I'm finally doing my Kayali perfume review. We are going to be reviewing all 4 of the fragrances from Kayali. I'll be explaining to you guys in details what each scent smells like, and I'll also be helping you guys figure out which scent is most suitable for you and your fragrance taste, okay? A little background about me. If you guys don't know me, if you don't watch my main channel or you're new to this channel here, I am a fragrance specialist, okay? I've been working with fragrances for over 5, almost 6 years. Before I started YouTube, started at Walmart, which is not really that great of a fragrance, you know, specialist area, but I started off at Walmart in fragrance and cosmetics, and from Walmart I moved to Michael Kors, and I was a fragrance specialist for Michael Kors. From Michael Kors I was a fragrance specialist for the Bay, which is like Macy's of Canada, kind of, and from the Bay I was a fragrance specialist at Sephora. So actually maybe 7 years. Either way, I know everything there needs to know about fragrances, to the point where when people walk by me, I know exactly which cologne or perfume they're wearing, and I'm never wrong, ever, okay? I also have a huge perfume collection. If you follow me on Instagram, you know all the videos I post about my collection, because I'm very proud of my collection, okay? I have all types of fragrances from all notes and all senses and all moods, okay, all types of vibes in my fragrance cabinet, so I know what I'm talking about. But anyways, enough of me rambling. Let's get straight to the perfumes. So Kayali is actually a brand created by Huda Beauty and her sister, I believe, and the whole idea for the Kayali brand was to highlight the importance of layering your fragrances. And if you guys didn't know what layering is basically when you take 2 scents, put them together and create a brand new custom scent. And when I tell you guys I only layer my perfumes, literally only layer my perfumes, I never ever wear one perfume, because layering is just so much more fun and you get a unique scent that is like set for you. So if you've never tried layering your perfumes before, try it today. I promise you, you will love it. And I'm gonna give you guys some tips and tricks on how you can make your perfumes last all day at the end of the video. But let's get straight into the actual review. Okay, so Kayali released 4 fragrances and I have them all here. They have the citrus one, which looks like this. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. That's what it looks like, a little diamond top on all of them. The packaging looks like this. Glass, if anyone was wondering. I don't think it would be anything else. We also got the Musk and the Elixir. Before I tell you guys what all of these smell like, I just want to point out that the way that this perfume sprays out is amazing. It literally is almost like a 360 spray. Like, let me just show you. I can't even explain. I just gotta show you guys. It sprays out like this. So it smells so good. Rather than like this. You know what I mean? The longer you hold this down, the more product comes out. And I love that because you have control over where the perfume is going and how much you're applying as well. So let's start with the Elixir. The Elixir is a very mature, sexy, elegant, just a really beautiful, beautiful scent. It opens up with a really sweet scent and then kind of dies down into a elegant musk. It's a very unique scent, and I have to say I've never smelled anything like this before in my life, and I have almost every single perfume there is to own in this world. Seriously, this is such a unique scent. It stands out more than all of the other perfumes that come in the Kayali collection, because that's how unique it is. You can definitely smell apple and like rose notes in this. You can also smell a floral component in there, almost like a jasmine or a lavender. It's just a really, really romantic scent. Like Valentine's Day, I'm definitely wearing this. It's so sexy. It would definitely be in like the warm or woody family when it comes to fragrances. So there's floral, there's sweet, there's fresh. This definitely falls in the warm woody scent. I feel like a lot of older ladies would really, really love this. And that doesn't mean that it's an old lady scented perfume, but I could just see like an old rich woman just walking around smelling just like this. This just smells like wealth. It smells like wealth, like for real. And as it settles down into your skin, you can smell like a hint of vanilla in there as well, which just gives you like flirtatious, flirty vibes, okay? The person I would see wearing this is someone who is very elegant, someone who wears high heels often, someone who goes on dates and loves to travel, somebody with a lot of designer bags. It just smells like money. It just smells like you got money. You know what I mean? This is definitely the perfect date night scent, the perfect I'm about to meet someone for the first time scent, anniversary scent, wedding day scent. It's definitely I got places to go, things to do, and people to see type scent. I wouldn't wear this every day, definitely for special occasions. The next one is Citrus number 8. And citrus now. It smells so good. Citrus is one of my favorites from the entire collection. It smells like its name. It smells citrusy, it smells lemony, zesty. It smells like a lime, a orange, a margarita. Okay, it smells like a margarita in a perfume bottle. It kind of gives me like champagne vibe. It's just like a really bubbly, citrusy, almost like a soda scent. Not even like a soda. It's almost like a, I would say margarita instead of a soda. Like a margarita sitting on a beach in Jamaica scent. For this scent here, you definitely smell lemon, lime, grapefruit, like every single citrus fruit you could think of. You smell it in this. I smell the grapefruit very, very strongly. You could also smell a hint of pink pepper. And along with the citrus notes that are a lot stronger than the rest of the notes, you smell an undertone of like rose and then like a very, very soft musk after it lingers a little bit. You know what I mean? It's a very pretty scent. I feel like the type of person who would like this. Actually, let me tell you what occasion this is for. This is for like everyday, but let's stick to summer scent. You know what I mean? This is like the best scent for summertime. I wouldn't wear it in the winter just because citrus and winter to me, it just doesn't mix. It's kind of like, why you smell like a bag of oranges? But in the summertime, when you smell like a bag of oranges, it's like, ooh, you know, it's hot outside. You're supposed to be smelling like oranges. You know what I mean? So this is a everyday summer perfume when you're going to the beach, if you're going to the mall, going to hang out with friends, going to the movies, anything like that. You can wear this for absolutely any occasion in the summer. Only my recommendation. If you want to wear it in the winter, that's all up to you. And I could see a girl who is very bubbly. I feel like someone who is used to, like, I know a lot of people wear Victoria's Secret's body spray. If you want to upgrade from Victoria's Secret into some real perfume, you will definitely love this. You will definitely love this. I feel like younger girls would really like it, like ages 16 to 25 or something like that. You're gonna go grab brunch with your friends. You're gonna go have mimosas in the morning. Just any girl who likes the smell of oranges, citrus, anything like that, you're gonna definitely love this. It is one of the prettiest citrus scents I own. And I own a lot of citrus scents because in the summertime, I bathe in them. Literally bathe in citrus scents. The next one is the Musk. Now, the Musk is a perfume that I wasn't gonna get because I'm not a fan of too many Musk perfumes. So I really thought that I wasn't gonna like this one. But when I tell you guys, Musk is actually my favorite. And I never thought I would say that ever in my life. Out of all these perfume, Musk takes the cake. Musk is so sweet and sexy and cute. It's just like a pretty girl. Like, it gives you pretty girl vibes. It's not too strong, which I love, but it lasts a very long time. In this scent, you can smell lotus, you can smell sandalwood, you can smell just the musk itself. You can also smell a hint of vanilla. There's also some jasmine notes in there. It is such like an innocent, sweet girl scent. So occasions for this, definitely every day as well. You could wear this to the mall. You could wear this absolutely anywhere. This is definitely an everyday scent for me anyways. And the type of girl that would like this is a girl like me. I'm very shy, very timid, very antisocial, I guess, but that doesn't really add up to this. But the scent is so clean and like subtle, but yet you can smell it. So for environments like workplaces that don't allow perfume, if you spray a little bit on this, you would get away with it. I feel like it wouldn't bother anyone's nose. It wouldn't be too strong for the workplace, but people would walk into your office and be like, wow, it smells really good in here. You know what I mean? It's not too strong. These ones, the Elixir and the Citrus, are a bit strong. Yeah, they're strong, but that's good for any perfume. This one is a little bit more subtle out of all the four, and I just love it. I think it smells so cute. It just smells like a pretty cute girl, okay? It also has like a slight powder scent, but it's not that old woman powder scent. It's very just pretty. This is like the prettiest scent I've ever smelled in my life, and it smells so unique. Does not smell like any perfume I've ever owned in my life as well. So that's amazing. I think Kayali did a great job making perfumes that were unique and not like other perfumes, because I have a ton of perfumes in my collection that smell like other perfumes in my collection. You know what I mean? These are all so different and they don't smell like anything I've ever owned, so that's always a plus. But yeah, this one, the Musk, is my favorite out of all of them. And now the vanilla is the first one I got, the first one I fell in love with, and I love it a lot. And it smells whoo, just like its name. I'm about to sneeze. Hold up. Achoo! Woo! Bless me. It smells just like it says. It's vanilla. It's like a creamy vanilla scent. It's not a childish vanilla like Victoria's Secret or like those Walmart cheap sprays. It smells so elegant, so grown up, very sweet. Almost like a cheesecake. It just smells like a bakery factory. It's delicious. First time I sprayed it on, my fiance was like, wow, you better meet me. You know what? Let me stop. But men love this scent. This is the new Haute Couture. You guys remember when Haute Couture by Givenchy was like the man magnet? This is the new Haute Couture. This is amazing. Men love the way that this smells, although we ain't wearing it for the men. But I'm saying, if you're in a relationship, your man is going to appreciate that perfume a lot. It's very sweet. Obviously has vanilla. You can smell the vanilla in there, but it's like a creamy vanilla, and I don't know if that makes a difference, but if you smell it, you'll understand what I mean by creamy. It smells like a creamy vanilla. I don't know. You can smell a bit of jasmine in there. You could definitely smell the brown sugar in there. It's very boom, it's amazing. This one is definitely for my girls out there who love to smell sweet. If you're looking for a man, cop it, because men will fall to your feet if you smell like this. This one is for my girly girls, girls who just love to walk into a room and have everyone turn their heads for them. This is like the cherry on top of your outfit, okay? It's a must. This is a must. A must have, I'm telling you guys. I love this so much. Now, overview of the entire collection I think is amazing. The price is a little bit pricey for people who do not like to invest in perfume, which is not a good investment, by the way, because once it's gone, it's gone. But if you don't collect perfumes like me, the price for it is very, very high. So if you're not a perfume connoisseur, this is gonna seem like a lot of money to you guys, but if you like perfumes, you enjoy perfumes, you collect perfumes, it's worth the money. It really is. And even if you don't enjoy perfumes and you just want to get a new perfume, definitely pick at least one of them up, because it is worth the coin, okay? I promise you guys. And I'm not sponsored by Kayali, but hey Kayali, if you want to sponsor your girl, I'm right here. What's up? No, but serious, these perfumes last all day. The packaging is on point. The spray nozzles on point. Everything they release from this day forward, I will definitely buy. You can pick these up at Sephora. I think it's online only though. You will also pick them up at the Kayali site or the Huda Beauty site. And no matter which one you get, I promise you, you will love them. I was gonna give you guys my layering favorite combos, but seriously, you can layer anything with anything and it will make a brand new scent that smells amazing every single time. You literally can't go wrong with which ones you layer together to create a new scent. And every single one that you layer makes a new scent. So if you have 4 perfumes, you actually have 12 perfumes, because once you layer them, they make a completely different scent, and all of the new scents that you create with these layering techniques smell amazing. So good. So good. So now I'm going to teach you guys how you can make your perfumes last all day long and get the most out of your perfumes. Basically, it's a very, very simple tip. Get an unscented lotion. Make sure it's unscented, like no vanilla, no lavender, nothing. Just unscented lotion. And you're gonna put the unscented lotion all over your body, okay? While the lotion is still, I guess you could say shiny, you know when you first apply the lotion and you can still see that shine on it? You're gonna put your perfume on your body on top of the lotion. The lotion is actually going to make that perfume last all day long, a lot longer than it would last on your dry skin with no lotion at all. That's my tip. And the places that I apply my perfume are behind my ears, both of my ears. Sometimes I do on the side of my neck here, in between my elbow right here, on my wrist right here, and I do not rub I never rub, because when you rub it, you're basically just getting rid of the perfume. On the other side, they go on the same places. I put them behind my kneecap, and from there, your body heat will literally bring it up and into the atmosphere, and everyone will be knowing that you smelling like a delicious bakery or some shit. It's amazing. Try those tips out and let me know if they work for you guys. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to all these perfumes if you guys want to check them out yourself. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've got any of these, if you're getting any of these, or if you don't have any of these, what is your favorite perfume right now currently? I'd like to know. I want to see if you guys are trying any perfumes I've never heard of before. I love trying out new perfumes, so I'm definitely gonna scroll through the comments to see if I see anything that I've never heard of before. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, all that jazz in the description box down below for your convenience. Just a reminder, I do have a vlogging channel with my fiance now, as well as a Let's Play The Sims 4 channel. I'm gonna leave that in the description box down below as well. If you guys are interested, you could go over there, check them out, and see if you want to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!